Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. I'm your boy, as usual, Authentic Hillary, guys. So today we are having a very special video, and I believe you will like it, guys. Right now I'm here at Union Metro Station, and I believe most of you have heard about it. So I just want to take you on a round tour and see what exactly happens here in Union. And a lot of people come up to meet with their friends here, mostly in the evening time, and some of them come to like play some games, simple games like volleyball, and also jogging around. So I will take you around and show you how this place is really so nice. Oh wow, they have put on water, you know. Okay, so I will take you around, guys, and we see how Union is. Let's go. So actually the place is very clean, very green and smart, so you can see how it looks like. And all the people you see, they are only sitting to relax. And I don't know. So like if there is like a group, you can just come here and organize, meet up, do some activities, you know. A lot of things happen. So this is how generally it is. I will pass around and I will show you how inside is. This is the entrance to the metro station. Here, this one. Down here there is metro station. So this is the entrance. Yes, so let me take you here and I show you what exactly happens. So many people come here to practice, do some activities, like as you can see. So right here, this is like an acting group, so they can just come here practice. It's free of charge. Here used to be water, and I don't know why they stopped the fountain. You can see the guys are practicing. I don't know. Yeah, that's how they do it every day. They come here to practice, and it's free of charge. So anybody out there, if you want to come and do your activities, you can come here and you do your activities. It's free of charge. So in brief, this is how the place looks like. You can see all that side. This is a good place for relaxing, like after a hard day of work. So you just come here and relax, feel relaxed, like if you have been having a long day at work. This is the best place, like mostly in the evening time. You just come here and you get that feeling, you know. And it's not recommendable to sleep here. Sleeping is not allowed. You can see these guys playing cricket. They're playing cricket. Just simple games like this, they are acceptable. You can play games as long as you don't interfere with other people. So this is how the place looks like. Very green, you know. I like it. So this is even when the people want to cross, they have to go from this bridge on top of the road and go to the other side. Yes, so it's getting dark here, but the more it gets dark, the more people come, because here they enjoy at night. Yes, so guys, let me also take you to the other side. Let me show you how the neighboring places look like. And yeah, let's go. Let's explore together. So we finished Union, that was Union, and let's just go around and we explore, we see how the neighborhood looks like. Like if you've never got any chance to travel around, let's go and see. The service buses here. There is a nearby bus station just close to metro station. So if you come out of the metro station, you can as well use the bus. You can connect to the bus.